I will share with you what are the 3 tips that is needed in conducting GR&R in IR 4.0 manufacturing environment. High automation environment does not mean accurate or precise measurement. GR&R or gauge reproducibility or repeatability is still needed and even more in this kind of manufacturing. Hello, I'm Evelyn, a quality engineering professional to help you to become an expert in quality engineering through my years of experience of working with hundreds of manufacturers in multiple industries globally. More and more manufacturing or manufacturers claim that they have already migrated to Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing environment. So let's have a little bit of understanding what is the meaning of Industrial Revolution 4.0. In Industrial Revolution 3.0, we talk about automation. In Industrial Revolution 4.0, we talk about automation with machines connected to each other where they can talk to each other. That means they are linked with each other. And it's Internet of Things. That means you can really control everything at your fingertips. And also there will be a lot of data collected for machine learning. Therefore, data collection is also a key in Industrial 4.0, and mind you, it should be also an automated process as well. In an Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing environment, you will expect to see that data collection is actually automated. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content, where there will be a lot of sensor measuring a key parameters or many key parameters at one time for a variable data collection process. For attribute data, there will be a high-speed camera inspection process that is inspecting the part. Although Industrial Revolution Manufacturing 4.0 data collection is automated with its high-speed sensor to measure or inspect parts, however, this does not mean data that is collected is accurate. You will still need to have the rigor in setting up the machine, the sensor properly to collect accurate data. Let's go through what are the top 3 tips which are necessary to help you in setting up IR 4.0 data collection process to give an accurate and precise data. Accurate and precise data are important in decision making, either to accept or reject parts, and also in process improvement. Tip number 1 is to identify the critical parameters of the product which is important to the customers. IR 4.0 is a machine. They do not know how to identify the critical parameters unless you already have the AI or the algorithm on the customer's environment and the data can be translated into what parameters to control. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. To enroll in my course on MSA or Measurement System Analysis, which is also focused on supplier quality management and IR 4.0 at Udemy, an affordable course provider. This course is for quality engineers or supplier quality engineers, where you will learn to plan and conduct GR&R for both variable and attributes data, how to analyze GR&R results, and how to improve the measurement process to achieve the GR&R requirements, to conduct a supplier's audit in the area of measurement system analysis, and to set up GR&R in an Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing environment. There will be 5 templates provided and an Excel format of calculation template where you do not have to go through the confusion of calculating GR&R, and you can just plug in the data and the Excel format will calculate for you. It also comes with an audit checklist for you to use for supplier quality audit in MSA. You can refer to my another video on how to identify critical parameter using critical to customers tree. Tip number 2, you will still need to conduct GR&R, especially on repeatability if there's only one measuring equipment that you're looking into. Although the measurement system has been automated with sensor or auto measurement with data collection, the fundamentals of verifying measurement gauge on how precise the measurement is still a requirement. You can refer to my another video on what is MSA and also repeatability, and I shall provide the link below. Tip number 3 would be to establish the golden standards. Golden standards is used to verify the measuring equipment's ability to measure accurately. A measuring equipment should be verified with a known measurement golden standards at a regular interval. An accurate golden standard must be established to cover the range of the measurement, and it should be properly maintained. Thank you for watching. You can leave me a comment on what you would like to learn, and hope to see you in my other videos.